The let them theory is built on a simple yet profound idea. People spend too much energy trying to control how others think, behave, and respond to them. This need for control often leads to stress, frustration, and disappointment, as individuals come to realize that no matter how hard they try, they cannot dictate someone else's actions or opinions. The fundamental principle of this mindset is that when people act in ways we don't like, whether they ignore us, judge us, disagree with us, or fail to support us, the best response is to simply let them. Instead of resisting or attempting to change the situation, we should allow things to unfold naturally, freeing ourselves from unnecessary emotional turmoil. At its core, this philosophy encourages radical acceptance. Many individuals struggle with the idea of letting go because they believe that if they try hard enough, they can influence how others see them, treat them, or engage with them. This belief, however, is often an illusion. People have their own perspectives, experiences, and motivations that shape their actions, most of which have nothing to do with anyone else. Attempting to micromanage these responses only creates more anxiety and leads to a cycle of overthinking and self-doubt. For example, imagine a person who has been consistently left out of social gatherings by a group of friends. Their initial instinct may be to wonder what they did wrong, analyze every past interaction, or even try harder to be included by seeking approval. However, from the perspective of the let them theory, a more liberating approach would be to simply let them. If those friends do not want to include them, forcing the situation will not create genuine connection. Instead, by stepping back and allowing things to be as they are, they open the door to finding relationships that are more aligned with their values. This concept also applies to how people handle rejection, criticism, and opposition. It is natural to want others to validate our choices, support our decisions, and agree with our perspectives. However, the reality is that people will always have different opinions, and some will inevitably disapprove of our actions. Instead of exhausting energy on changing their minds, the let them theory suggests that we should allow people to hold their own beliefs, even if they contradict our own. This not only reduces stress but also fosters a sense of emotional independence. Letting go does not mean passivity or indifference. It does not mean accepting mistreatment or refusing to set boundaries. Rather, it is about understanding the distinction between what we can and cannot control. We cannot control how others behave, but we can control our reactions. We cannot control what someone thinks about us, but we can control how much weight we give their opinion. This realization is incredibly empowering, as it shifts the focus away from external validation and places it firmly on self-awareness and self-trust. A significant part of embracing this mindset is learning to detach from the need to explain or justify ourselves. Many people feel an urge to defend their choices when met with skepticism or criticism. They want to prove that they are right, that their decisions are valid, and that others should understand and agree with them. However, this need for validation is often unnecessary. If someone disapproves of a lifestyle choice, a career decision, or a personal boundary, we do not owe them an explanation. They are free to think what they want, just as we are free to live according to our own values. Consider a scenario where someone chooses to leave a stable corporate job to pursue a creative passion. Their family, worried about financial security, may express doubt or even disapproval. In response, the individual could spend endless hours trying to convince them that it is the right decision. But under the let them theory, the healthiest approach would be to acknowledge their concerns but not let them dictate personal choices. The family is allowed to worry, to question, and to have their own opinions, just as the individual is allowed to follow their path without seeking permission. By embracing the power of letting go, people begin to experience greater peace in their daily lives. The constant need to control outcomes, to change minds, or to prove oneself diminishes, replaced by a deep sense of self-assurance. This shift allows individuals to focus their energy on what truly matters, their own growth, happiness, and fulfillment. Instead of being trapped in a cycle of frustration and disappointment, they gain the freedom to live authentically, unaffected by the ever-changing opinions and actions of others. The let them theory is, in essence, a mindset of emotional liberation. It teaches that true power does not come from influencing or controlling others, but from the ability to release attachment to external validation. When individuals stop resisting what they cannot change and start accepting things as they are, they open the door to a more peaceful, confident, and fulfilling life. A fundamental principle of the let them theory is that true confidence and peace come from within, not from external approval. Many people spend their lives chasing validation, whether from family, friends, colleagues, or society at large. They measure their worth based on how others perceive them, constantly adjusting their actions to fit expectations. However, this pursuit of validation is often exhausting and unfulfilling because external opinions are inconsistent, subjective, and, ultimately, beyond our control. The let them theory encourages individuals to shift their focus inward and build self-trust rather than relying on external reassurance. When people seek approval, they hand over control of their self-worth to others. If they receive praise, they feel good about themselves. If they face criticism or indifference, they begin to doubt their choices. This external dependence creates a cycle where one's happiness and confidence are dictated by forces outside their control. To break free, one must cultivate a sense of internal validation, an unwavering belief in one's own worth, independent of others' opinions. Developing internal validation starts with recognizing that other people's perspectives are often shaped by their own experiences, fears, and biases. Just because someone disapproves of a decision does not mean that decision is wrong. For instance, if a person chooses to start a business and receives skepticism from family members, it is not necessarily a reflection of the person's capabilities. More often than not, the doubt comes from the family's own fears. Perhaps they associate entrepreneurship with financial instability or have personally experienced failure. Understanding this distinction helps individuals detach from the need for universal approval. Another critical aspect of internal validation is learning to trust one's own judgment. Many people hesitate when making decisions because they fear making the wrong choice. They seek reassurance from others, hoping for confirmation that they are on the right path. However, no one else can truly determine what is best for an individual's life. The ability to make decisions with confidence comes from experience, self-awareness, and a willingness to accept the possibility of mistakes. When individuals trust themselves, they stop second-guessing every choice and start moving forward with clarity and purpose. Practicing self-acceptance is also essential in shifting away from external validation. Society often imposes expectations about how people should look, behave, and live their lives. Those who seek validation may feel pressured to conform, even at the cost of their authenticity. They may suppress parts of their personality, pursue careers they are not passionate about, or engage in relationships that do not align with their values, all in an attempt to be accepted. The let them theory challenges this pattern by encouraging individuals to embrace their true selves, even if it means facing disapproval from others. For example, consider someone who has always wanted to pursue an unconventional career in the arts but has been discouraged by those around them. If they rely on external validation, they may abandon their dreams in favor of a more socially acceptable path. However, by shifting their focus to internal validation, they can recognize that their passion and happiness matter more than others' opinions. They understand that fulfillment comes from aligning their life with their authentic desires, not from conforming to external expectations. Building internal validation also involves detaching from the fear of criticism. Many people avoid taking risks or stepping into their full potential because they worry about what others will think. They fear being judged, misunderstood, or rejected. However, the reality is that no matter what one does, there will always be critics. The most successful, innovative, and authentic individuals in history have faced doubt and resistance. The difference is that they did not let external voices define their worth. They believed in their vision, stayed committed to their goals, and refused to let fear of judgment hold them back. This mindset shift is incredibly liberating. When people stop seeking validation from others, they gain the freedom to live on their own terms. They make choices based on their values and passions rather than on fear or societal pressure. They develop resilience, knowing that setbacks and criticisms are a natural part of life but do not diminish their worth. Most importantly, they cultivate an inner sense of peace, no longer feeling the need to prove themselves to anyone. Ultimately, the let them theory teaches that the only validation that truly matters is the one that comes from within. By letting people think what they want, act how they choose, and form their own opinions, without trying to control or change them, individuals free themselves from the exhausting cycle of seeking approval. Instead, they step into a life of confidence, self-trust, and authenticity, where their happiness is no longer dependent on external validation but firmly rooted in their own sense of worth. One of the most powerful applications of the let them theory is in learning how to set and maintain healthy boundaries. Many people struggle with boundaries because they fear disappointing others, being seen as selfish, or causing conflict. As a result, they overextend themselves, say yes when they want to say no, and tolerate behaviors that make them uncomfortable. However, without boundaries, individuals often experience stress, resentment, and emotional exhaustion. The let them theory provides a mindset shift that helps people set limits without guilt, empowering them to prioritize their well-being while allowing others to react however they choose. At the core of boundary setting is the recognition that people are responsible for their own emotions and reactions. A major reason individuals hesitate to establish boundaries is that they worry about how others will respond. They fear upsetting a friend by declining an invitation, disappointing a colleague by saying no to extra work, or angering a family member by refusing to meet unreasonable expectations. However, the let them theory emphasizes that people are allowed to feel however they feel, and that does not mean we have to compromise our own well-being. If someone is upset because of a boundary, they have the right to feel that way. But that does not mean the boundary is wrong or should be abandoned. For example, imagine someone who constantly receives last-minute requests from a coworker to help with extra tasks. They feel overwhelmed but continue saying yes because they do not want to be seen as unhelpful. Eventually, this leads to burnout and frustration. Under the let them theory, a healthier approach would be to set a firm boundary by politely declining and sticking to their own priorities. If the coworker gets frustrated or upset, that is their reaction to manage. Instead of feeling guilty, the individual can recognize that saying no does not make them unkind, it simply means they are protecting their time and energy. Setting boundaries is not about controlling how others behave but about controlling what we will and will not tolerate. Many people fall into the trap of trying to change others, hoping that if they explain enough, accommodate enough, or give enough chances, the other person will start respecting their limits. However, boundaries are not requests, they are statements of personal standards. Instead of trying to convince someone to respect a boundary, the let them theory suggests simply enforcing it. If a person repeatedly disrespects a boundary, we let them behave as they choose, but we also choose how we respond. That may mean limiting interactions, removing ourselves from situations, or making it clear that certain behaviors will not be tolerated. A common challenge in setting boundaries is dealing with people who push back. Some individuals react negatively when someone starts prioritizing their own needs, especially if they were used to always getting their way. They may try to guilt trip, manipulate, or pressure the person into changing their mind. In these moments, the let them theory provides clarity. Instead of engaging in endless explanations or arguments, we let them react however they choose while standing firm in our decision. A boundary is not up for negotiation just because someone else does not like it. Another crucial aspect of boundary setting is learning to say no without over-explaining. Many people feel the need to justify their decisions in great detail, hoping to soften the impact or gain approval. However, the reality is that no explanation is required. A simple, "I can't make it," or "that doesn't work for me," is enough. The let them theory teaches that we are not responsible for making others comfortable with our boundaries, we are only responsible for honoring them ourselves. If someone takes offense, misunderstands, or chooses to feel rejected, that is their choice. We do not have to carry the burden of making sure everyone is happy with our decisions. Boundaries also apply to emotional energy. Not every problem needs our involvement, and not every conflict requires our participation. Many people get caught in cycles of trying to fix others, mediate disputes, or constantly be available for everyone else's emotional needs. While empathy is valuable, constantly absorbing other people's stress can be draining. The let them theory encourages individuals to recognize that they do not have to take responsibility for everything. If someone is upset, complaining, or creating drama, we can let them. We do not have to take on their emotional burden, and we are allowed to protect our own peace. By adopting this approach, people begin to experience greater emotional freedom. They no longer feel obligated to meet unrealistic expectations, they stop feeling guilty for prioritizing their own needs, and they learn that they do not have to justify their choices to anyone. Instead of constantly managing others' feelings, they focus on maintaining their own well-being. This shift leads to healthier relationships, where interactions are based on respect and mutual understanding rather than obligation or guilt. Ultimately, setting healthy boundaries is an essential part of self-care and self-respect. The let them theory reinforces the idea that we cannot control how others respond to our limits, but we can control whether or not we enforce them. By letting people react as they choose, individuals free themselves from the exhausting cycle of trying to please everyone. They gain the confidence to stand by their decisions, the peace of knowing they are honoring their own needs, and the strength to create a life that prioritizes their well-being without guilt. One of the most paralyzing fears people face is the fear of judgment and criticism. Many individuals hold themselves back from pursuing their dreams, expressing their true selves, or making bold decisions because they are afraid of how others will perceive them. This fear often stems from childhood conditioning, social expectations, and a deep-seated need for acceptance. However, the let them theory offers a liberating alternative. Instead of worrying about what others think, simply let them. Let them judge, let them misunderstand, let them disagree, because their opinions are beyond our control, and their approval is not necessary for our happiness. At the root of the fear of judgment is the assumption that other people's opinions define our worth. When individuals place too much importance on external validation, they become hesitant to take risks, voice their thoughts, or step outside of societal norms. They may dress a certain way to avoid being judged, suppress their opinions to avoid conflict, or stay in unfulfilling jobs and relationships because they fear what others will say if they make a change. This creates a life built on fear rather than authenticity. The let them theory challenges this mindset by emphasizing that people's opinions are reflections of their own experiences, biases, and insecurities, rather than objective truths. For example, consider someone who wants to switch careers from a stable corporate job to becoming a writer or an artist. They may hesitate because they fear their family and friends will think they are making a reckless decision. They imagine the whispers, the doubts, the unsolicited advice warning them against their choice. However, under the let them theory, instead of trying to explain, justify, or win approval, they simply let people have their opinions. If their family believes they are making a mistake, they let them. If others think they are being unrealistic, they let them. None of those opinions need to affect their decision. They trust themselves enough to pursue their path without needing permission from others. Criticism is inevitable in life, and those who do anything significant, whether in their personal or professional lives, will always face it. The let them theory encourages individuals to reframe criticism as a natural part of growth rather than a personal attack. Instead of fearing it, they learn to detach from it. When someone criticizes a choice or disagrees with a belief, it does not mean they are right, it simply means they have a different perspective. And that perspective does not need to dictate our actions. There is great freedom in realizing that no matter what we do, someone will always have an opinion. If we conform to expectations, some will still find something to critique. If we take risks, some will call us foolish. If we play it safe, others may call us unambitious. The lesson is that there is no path in life that is free from judgment, so why not choose the one that feels right to us? If we let go of the need for approval, we gain the ability to live on our own terms. A crucial part of overcoming fear of judgment is recognizing that people's opinions are often fleeting. A person who criticizes today may forget about it tomorrow. People are generally more focused on their own lives, insecurities, and struggles than they are on scrutinizing others. Often, the fear of judgment is far worse than the judgment itself. Once an individual embraces the let them theory, they realize that the world does not revolve around other people's approval or disapproval. This shift in perspective allows individuals to take bolder steps in life. They apply for the job they want without worrying about whether others think they are qualified. They share their creative work without fearing negative feedback. They speak up in meetings without overanalyzing whether their ideas sound good enough. They embrace their unique style, interests, and personality without toning themselves down to fit in. In short, they start living fully instead of living cautiously. Another powerful aspect of this mindset is understanding that the most confident and successful individuals are not those who avoid judgment but those who have learned to ignore it. History is filled with people who were doubted, criticized, and dismissed, yet they persevered. Innovators, artists, and leaders have all faced resistance, but they did not let external opinions dictate their actions. They focused on their vision, stayed true to their values, and moved forward regardless of what others thought. This is the essence of the let them theory, allowing people to judge while continuing to pursue what is meaningful and fulfilling. Ultimately, overcoming the fear of judgment requires a commitment to self-trust. It means valuing our own opinion more than the fleeting opinions of others. It means understanding that we are not here to meet everyone's expectations but to live authentically. By embracing this mindset, individuals unlock a level of freedom that allows them to take risks, make decisions with confidence, and live a life that is driven by passion and purpose rather than fear of disapproval. The let them theory teaches that people are free to form opinions, just as we are free to ignore them. Let them misunderstand, let them disapprove, let them talk, and in the meantime, we live. At its core, the let them theory is about embracing authenticity and emotional freedom. It is about choosing to live on our own terms rather than constantly seeking approval, avoiding conflict, or fearing rejection. It teaches that the moment we stop trying to control how others think, feel, and react, we gain the ability to live a life that is genuinely fulfilling. Instead of wasting energy on things beyond our control, we invest in our own growth, happiness, and self-respect. Authenticity means showing up as our true selves, regardless of how others perceive us. It means making choices based on our values, interests, and passions, not based on what will be most accepted or praised by others. Many people struggle with this because they have been conditioned to seek external validation from an early age. They learn to prioritize being liked over being real, to conform rather than stand out, and to adjust their behavior to fit the expectations of family, society, or culture. However, this constant self-editing leads to a life that feels restrictive, exhausting, and ultimately unfulfilling. The Let Them theory offers a way out of this cycle by encouraging individuals to let go of the need to be universally accepted. When we stop trying to please everyone, we create space for relationships, opportunities, and experiences that align with our authentic selves. Instead of forcing connections with people who do not appreciate us, we let them. Instead of trying to convince others to understand us, we let them misunderstand. Instead of chasing approval, we focus on what brings us joy, meaning, and fulfillment. A major benefit of embracing this mindset is emotional freedom. Many people carry unnecessary stress because they feel responsible for how others feel. They avoid difficult conversations to keep the peace, say yes to things they do not want to do, or suppress their emotions to avoid making others uncomfortable. But the truth is, we cannot control how others feel, we can only control our own actions and reactions. If someone is upset because we set a boundary, made a decision, or expressed our truth, that is their emotional responsibility, not ours. For example, consider someone who decides to decline a family tradition that no longer aligns with their values. They fear backlash, guilt-tripping, or disappointment from loved ones. But under the Let Them theory, they realize that they are allowed to make choices that honor their personal well-being. If their family is upset, they let them be upset. If they are misunderstood, they let it happen. By releasing the need to manage other people's emotions, they free themselves from the burden of living for others rather than themselves. Living authentically also means embracing imperfection. Many people hold themselves back because they fear making mistakes or being judged for not having everything figured out. They hesitate to start new projects, share their creative work, or take risks because they are afraid of failing in front of others. However, the Let Them theory encourages individuals to let go of this fear and accept that growth comes from imperfection. Let people watch as we evolve. Let them judge if they want. But do not let that stop us from trying, learning, and improving. A key realization that comes with this mindset is that the right people will stay, and the wrong ones will fall away. When we live authentically, some people may drift from our lives, whether because they do not understand our choices, do not respect our boundaries, or simply are not aligned with who we are becoming. Instead of fearing this, the Let Them theory encourages us to see it as a natural process. If someone chooses to distance themselves because we are being true to ourselves, we let them. If someone does not support our growth, we let them go. By doing so, we create space for people who genuinely align with us and respect us for who we are. This approach also applies to handling life's uncertainties. Many people try to control every aspect of their future, fearing the unknown and wanting to guarantee specific outcomes. However, the Let Them theory reminds us that some things are simply out of our hands. We cannot force people to love us, opportunities to unfold on our timeline, or events to go exactly as planned. The more we resist uncertainty, the more stress we create for ourselves. Instead, we can embrace a mindset of trust, letting things unfold as they will and believing that what is meant for us will come in due time. Ultimately, the Let Them theory is about reclaiming personal power. It is about recognizing that we do not need permission to live how we choose, nor do we need constant reassurance that we are on the right path. We are allowed to set boundaries, pursue our passions, and prioritize our well-being without explaining ourselves. We are allowed to be misunderstood, criticized, or judged without letting it define us. And we are allowed to let go of anything, or anyone, that no longer serves our growth. By fully embracing this philosophy, individuals experience a profound sense of liberation. They stop seeking validation in places where it will never come. They stop trying to control things that are beyond their power. They stop carrying the emotional burdens of others. Instead, they focus on what truly matters, living with purpose, authenticity, and inner peace. The Let Them theory is not just about letting go of control. It is about gaining freedom. Freedom from overthinking, from people-pleasing, from unnecessary stress. It is about trusting that when we stay true to ourselves, the right people, opportunities, and experiences will naturally align with us. Instead of forcing, chasing, or proving, we simply allow. We let others be who they are, and in doing so, we give ourselves permission to be fully, unapologetically, and joyfully ourselves.